Hi viewers, you're once again welcome to my YouTube channel. So I'm going to take you through some of the major Excel or spreadsheet calculations. So I'm going to use this type document, Excel document report card. So I'm going to show you how to make a report card, and here we are going to put the grade. So in in Microsoft Excel, for any calculation or any formula, it must start with an equal sign. So this one, I'm going to use the if function. So I'll say if and put the formula or the function if h2 is greater or equals to or equals to 90, comma, what distinction 1 cos it. Again, if h2 again is greater or equals to 85, comma, and with what d2, comma, if h2 greater or equals to 80, comma, and critic theory does it, comma, if h2 again is greater or equals to 70, comma, that is critic for. If h2 is greater or equals to 60, comma, quad critic 5, if h2 greater or equals to 50, comma, and the quad critic 5, no, not critic 5, that's now critic 6, cos it, comma, if h2 greater or equals to 105, comma, and the quad 45 is past 7, past 7, comma, if h2 greater or equals to 40, comma, 40 as plus 8, comma, open the quote, F9, close the quote, and close the bracket. Press enter. You see this is D2. So that is how, in order to copy the same formula down or to apply that same formula down, come here, then you click double click. So this upgrading is done, and let us go total. We are getting a total of this, of the subjects: English, Maths, SST, Science, and Science. So we'll start by saying equals to this cell reference is here plus V2 plus this one plus this. Using for English, Maths, SST, then Science. So enter it. After that one, you can come and either double click it or drag down. For this time, we are going to drag it down. You see, that's brought. To get the average, for the average, we can use total divided by the number added. Like for this case, we have 4 subjects, and that total is here. So let us feed the formula equals to this one here, then divide it by 4, because the sum of 4, actually those 4 marks has brought us that one. Enter it. You see this 87. Do the same thing, but this time let us double click it. You see it has displayed now everything. For division, I hope for the division let's do away with it, because for the division if that is for the division, now let us come to comment, guys. So for comment, we'll use a function again. We'll say maybe let us put the we are going to let us say we are going to promote people or give them comments according to the average got. If you are below 50, so we will say that you have failed, and if you are above 50 on average, that is a pass. So let us do it. Let's put the formula. It's equals to, we are going to use the if function. So if if open the bracket, if average, which is here, is greater or equals to 50, comma, open the quote. Let us say it is like a promotional exam now. We can say promoted, comma. Hope you are getting now acquainted with this use of if functions, how you can do it. So promoted, comma, repeat. That is it. Close the bracket. and enter. You see, this guy has an average of 87. Is promoted. Let us do the same now. Drag down or right or double click your cursor on the right corner here. So this guy, who is he? Chet Daniel, promoted. PaidQ has promoted. This Agnes Ake has repeated. Then you have Ogawa France is promoted. Oliver, Vicky promoted. Sam Mandela repeated, and the quarters. So I think that is how to comment on Excel or spreadsheet. So we are going to give them position now. With the position, we are going to use another function, that is rank. So let us apply now the function here equals to rank, open the bracket, zeta. So no, open first up where rank equals to rank so open bracket, then we are going to use, so I said we are going to use average for ranking. So average here is in the K column, then to place in a comma from K to K15. That is it. Then you close. But let us enter it. This is the first position. The guy is in the first position. Lie it down. Have you seen? These now errors. This guy here is in the first position, the third, the ninth, sixth, 10th. This guy is in the second. If you are to come here, the guy with aggregate of 44, with average of 44.25, and is even repeated. Can't you see in the first position also? So this one I've done it because I want to show for you something. With the position or with the ranking, you have to lock the cells, because if you are to see the cell reference of this guy, the guy is being compared with the one who is just down here up to cell 28 up to here. You can even see there's no data here. On average, they have all got 0. So how can you compare it like that? So for that case now, this cell has to be locked. And in Excel, if we are locking the cells, we can use the dollar signs. So let us lock the cell. You put it in front of the number, in front of the letter, and in front of the number. In front of the letter and in front of the number. Let us apply it. This guy is still in the first position, but if you have to drag it down, you can see if you can change anything. You see, it has changed. This guy is in the first position, 5, 11, 8. The second one is here, the 7th, 5th, 3rd, 4th, and the rest. This guy who was number 1 is now up to number 13. So guys, I think for today I'm going to end here, and subscribe, share, link, or comment where you have not understood. Thank you. Bye bye.